Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Santos Capellan Jr. Today, what I'm going to do is discuss my gate barrier programming. Actually, I have made one short video clip demonstrating how this gate barrier works. Okay, now just look for this video in my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, I have here several images. Obviously, I have my Arduino board. Then I have my RGB LED, one IR sensor, one servo motor, then one relay module. Then I have my table here, components and the Arduino board. Now this table shows the connection of my components to my Arduino board. Okay, the IR sensors, there are 3 pins. VCC is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino board. Ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. Then the output of this IR sensor is connected to my A5, an analog input signal to my A5. Okay, so actually that is the pin number 6 of the analog inputs in my Arduino board. Then the servo motor, there are 3 wires there. The yellow wire is connected to my pin number 9, which is the PWM, pulse width modulation. Then the red wire connected to my Arduino board 5 volts, and the brown wire is connected to the ground. Now, I have used one relay module. Okay, then this relay module, there are 6 terminals there. Okay, now for the signal, I associated it in pin IO number 4. Then the positive to 5 volts, then the negative to the ground. Then now in this relay module, there are 2 contacts, normally open and normally closed. So normally open, I provided there the negative of my 12 volt DC. I connected to the blue terminal of my RGB LED. Then the normally closed contact, I connected the negative to the RGB red uh, terminal. Okay. Now the common, I provided there the positive of my 12 volts DC. Okay. So it's very self-explanatory. Okay. Now in my programming, the first thing you need to do if you program this is this gate barrier, since the major component that here is the servo motor. So you have to include the library servo.h in your program. Okay, so all the uh, functions predefined in this servo library will be available to your program. Okay, now the first instruction here is servo my servo. Actually, this is just to create a servo object to control a servo motor. Okay, so my object is named my servo. Okay, now the next instruction is variable declaration. IR sensor is associated to my Arduino input signal A5. Okay, then RGB is associated to my pin number 4. Okay, now as I said, when you are uh, programming your Arduino, the IDE will provide you 2 empty functions. One of the functions is void setup, then the other one is the void loop. Okay, so in my setup function, which will be run only once, I have my instruction here. The first instruction here, my servo that attached open parenthesis 9, close parenthesis. Okay, actually my object, I'm just invoking the built-in method attach. Then I'm attaching it to pin number 9. Okay. Then my servo that write, once again, my object servo, then I call the uh, method write. Then I provided the argument 0. Actually, the 0 is the 0 degrees. As you know, the servo motor will rotate 180 degrees. Okay. So from 0 to 180. Now, if your servo is rotating 360 degrees, then there might be some problem with your internal mechanism of the servo motor, or you have problem with the power supply. Okay. So the next instruction here is delay 100, just to provide some time delay of 100 milliseconds. Now, pin mode, RGB, comma, output. Actually, I'm configuring the mode of my RGB, which is the pin 4 to output. Okay, so meaning this pin number 4 will provide 5-volt signal or high signal to my RGB. Okay, to toggle on and off or close open my contacts for the relay module. Okay, so that is the line of instruction inside my void setup. Okay, now let's go to my void loop. Now the first instruction here is just to read the value of the IR sensor. If it is greater than 500, again, the value from IR sensor range from 0 to 1023. Okay, so if my IR sensor value is greater than 500, I have a block of code here. My servo that writes 0, so I will give an instruction for my servo to go to 0 degrees. Okay, so meaning my gate barrier arm is closed. Okay, so the next instruction is digital write RGB high. So I'm giving a 5-volt signal to my relay module. So the normally open contact will close, then making my gate barrier arm RGB LED will turn to red. Okay, then if the signal from my A5 is not greater than 500. If it is less than 500, then the code of instruction here is my servo that write 90 degrees. So meaning if my RR sensor is giving less than 500 signal, meaning a car is approaching my gate barrier, then I will give instruction to my gate barrier to open. So the instruction is my servo that write 90 degrees. Okay. And digital write RGB, now I'm turning my RGB LED in my arm to blue, meaning if it is opening, it will turn to blue. Then the last instruction is to put some time delay. Okay, basically this time delay is to allow the car past the gate barrier arm. So if your time delay is very less, it might hit the car when it is entering the car parking area. Okay, so this is a very simple programming for this gate barrier. Now, if you have any question or comments, you can jot it down, put your comments, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, so you will be notified for new videos if it is available in my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching this short video clip, and God bless us all. Be safe and bye for now.